Short hair, no problem. Let's go over how to blend those extensions in perfectly. We're going to start off by taking a section at the midpoint of our ears, of our underneath of the hair, and we are going to braid this hair and we are going to pin it up. This is going to prevent any of your short hairs from popping through and making your hair not look blended. Taking our two-piece clip, we're going to clip it over that area and then start moving on up. I like to do kind of a horseshoe pattern, and I will actually take two extension pieces and wrap them around my entire head, meeting in the back. I do this so that I still get fullness in the front of my hair. We don't have to worry about a mullet, and I still get the fullness in the back as well. Once this is done, we are going to work on more of our back section to make sure that we blend in those short layers. We are going to do a three-piece clip on top of another three-piece clip, and this will provide enough hair so that your short hair is not going to be detectable. When we get to our side sections, we are going to take our two clips for both sides, clip those in, make sure you leave them higher on the top so that they blend, and then there you go. You have a flawless, beautiful blend with short hair, and nobody will ever have any idea that your hair is super, super short.